Welcome to Salt Lake City. This is something we've wanted to do for a while.
We've been talking about Salt Lake City for years.
But honestly, we haven't known where to start. So we started everywhere. And that's the problem. I'm Steve.
I'm Derek. So I think one of the things that we want to do with this is I learn best by just jumping in and doing. And I want to document the process of like the things that we learn as we're doing these projects. Just almost as like a self-educational journal.
Yeah, and I want to bring in experts. So we know a couple blacksmiths. We know people who are into Arduino and programming.
People are way more into 3D printing than we are.
And the fact is, we just are curious. And so we just want to see what's out there and see what we can do.
And document our progress in that direction.
Yeah. And maybe something cool will come out of it. Maybe we'll have a bunch of scrap. Probably.
I was going to say, we're probably going to land somewhere in the middle.
Yep. Essentially, how would you describe us, Derek?
That's tough. We're perpetually curious and like tinkerers and
in all things.
Like amateur scientists.
Very amateur.
Yes, extremely amateur scientists.
How many discoveries do you have at this point?
Zero.
Well, no, I have a lot of fun.
I have a lot of my own personal discoveries.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to the workshop.
Yeah. So this is workshop 1.0. There's actually, I would say workshop 1.5 is my workshop.
That's fair.
And then hopefully at some point we get workshop 2.0. And we discovered about a year and a half ago that my tools and his tools complement each other.
They have a really great relationship.
Yeah, and so some of my tools are here, some of my favorite tools are here. Some of his favorite tools are at my shop, just depending on what we're doing. Mine tends to be more the 3D printing, the laser cutting, some of that real computer assisted stuff.
Mine tends to be more hands-on welding and
forging,
that kind of stuff.
Yeah, some woodworking stuff here. So what's the project today? What are we working on now?
Well, I just bought a little puppy. His name's Bo. He's a mini Australian Shepherd.
I told you not to go over there.
No, you did. You definitely advised me in this situation. You told me exactly what was going to happen.
Yeah.
I had made zero preparation to have a dog in my life, including the fact that my backyard is not fenced in at all. So.
And you live on a relatively busy street.
Yeah, I would call it a busy street. Okay. So I'm building a fence. It's really straightforward. It's just square tubing and slats, all out of steel and TIG welding.
How would most people build it? They'd have someone come put it in, or
sure. They just hire someone.
Go buy some panels from Home Depot. No.
Now, have I ever built a fence before? No. And I'm probably going to do a bunch of stupid stuff, which I actually already did. I made a mistake in measuring. You
don't
do
expect
it and
us
learn
to be experts.
No, absolutely
We're
not.
We're not experts. We just like to get our fingers in a whole lot of different projects.
Absolutely.
If you have project ideas, share them with us.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing. Steve and I are both very, very willing to be absolutely ridiculous in our pursuits. So
what are some of the things that you've built that are ridiculous? Let's go off a list.
The altitude chamber over
the
there.
trebuchet.
Oh, that's right. We did build a trebuchet.
Yeah, we built trebuchet.
All of our anvil blocks. That was a ridiculous project.
Potato cannon.
Yeah. Which one?
oh, the ray. The solar ray.
The death ray.
The death ray.
I just got the death ray out today.
Oh.
Well, the guts of it. We need to put it back together.
Yeah, death ray. A solar death ray. It's clean. Has zero carbon footprint.
No, absolutely the greenest death ray you will ever see.
Houses.
Yeah, that's true.
My house. Your house. And what other projects have we done? I think
it's always hard for me to think of them like on the spot. But then when I'm talking to somebody, I'm there's this crazy thing I did. The backwards bike was a ridiculous
backwards
project.
Bike. Yeah. 3D printer.
Yeah, that one was just impulsive.
That was amazing. It's printing right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
How much downtime has that had? So we
last 2 weeks it's had a few.
Christmas.
Yeah, but not much.
And it's currently in the middle of September. So it's been
Yeah.
about 9 months.
It's going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're super excited about Salt Lake City. We have ideas for things that we want to eventually, like the end game of this is to really kind of create like a makers community. We both know a lot of people that have very similar interests, and we have the tools, we have the motivation, so
Yeah.
we're gonna do it. Joy in the journey.
Should we do the thing they do on YouTube?
What's that?
Subscribe. Should we do that?
Oh yeah, remember to
Subscribe.
like and subscribe
Like, subscribe,
and
share.
set, what is the
The bell.
Oh, the bell.
We're gonna put the bell right
Ah, the
here.
bell.
No, let's put the bell right here. Here's the bell. So yeah, follow us, join us. Thanks.